So now let's create this like notification. Inside this, again, we're going to need feed from Semantic UI React. And also we're going to import our calculate time function from utils and calculate time. So if you remember, we created this function to calculate the time of the post. We are going to use this function again to calculate the time of the notification. And inside this, in the return statement, let's add parentheses and fragments. And inside these fragments, we are going to have feed.event and feed.label. And this feed.label, it is going to have an image prop. So inside this image, the URL is going to be for the user from whom this notification is. So notification.user.profilepic URL. And after this, we are going to have feed.content. And inside this, we are going to have feed.summary. Let's give it some space. And inside the summary, we are again going to have fragments. And here we are going to have feed.user as a anchor tags, and href is going to be inside template string slash, and it is going to be the username. So notification, let's add $sign here, .user.username. So when the user clicks on this, we're going to redirect the user to the profile page. And inside this, we're going to have the name of the user, notification.user.name. Let's save. And after this, we're going to have a space here, liked your, and we're going to have another space. And here we're going to have anchor tags. And the href for this anchor tag is going to be inside template strings slash post. And we are going to have the ID of the post here. So notification dot post dot underscore ID. So this route, we are yet to create this route. We are going to create this after we have created the layout for all of these components. And inside this, we are going to have post text. And after this, we are going to have the date of the notification. So feed.date. And inside this, we're going to call the calculate time function and pass in the date. So notification.date. So this date will be automatically be formatted like this right here. It will automatically be formatted by the Semantic UI React. And now after this feed.summary, where it closes, we are going to check if notification.post.pic URL. Then we are going to have a feed.extra tag, and it is going to have a prop of images. And inside this feed.extra, we are going to have anchor tags. So we are going to basically show the image here. So if the post which has been liked has an image, we are going to show it like this. It is going to be shown inside these right here. So anchor tags, href, again it is going to be this one right here. I'm going to copy it. Slash post and the post ID. And inside this, we are going to have image tag. The source of this image is going to be notification.post.pic URL. And after this feed.event, we are going to have a break line. So this will add a space between this notification and the next one. And we are not using this user right here. So let's remove this. And from our notifications as well, let's remove this right here. So now let's check if it works. I'm going to run my server. So now if I go to the notifications, you can see the icon is still telling that there are new notifications. And if I go to this page, and there is an error here, let me check. So inside this return statement, we have this feed.label. It is going to be a self-closing tag. It is not going to have the closing tag separately. Let's remove this. And also inside the notifications, inside this div right here, we have to add the width to 100%. I missed that earlier, so please add that. And now if I save and go back to the browser, refresh, and now you can see we have these notifications, liked your post, and time is also being shown today at 1:20 p.m. And now for the comment notification, let's open this component. Here also we are going to need feed and calculate time functions. Let's copy that and paste. So the layout is going to be pretty similar. So I'm just going to copy these from here. Let's copy this return statement and let's paste. So basically all of this is going to be the same. The only change we are going to have is after this feed.extra images, we were checking if there is a pic URL or not. So after this condition check, we are going to have a feed.extra. This one is going to have a text prop, and inside this we are going to have a strong tag, and inside this strong tag we are going to have notification.text. And also let's remove this user from this comment notification, also from our notifications page. Let's remove this prop right here. So now let's check if it works. If I go back to my browser and refresh, and now you can see we are being shown the notification, but it is showing liked your post. So let's change that. It is right here. We're going to change it to commented on your post, and let's save. Now go back and check, and now you can see we are getting the notification in the sync commented on your post, the text of the comment right here. So this was all for this video. In the next video we're going to start working on this follower notification. So I will see you there.